Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening a new project and immediately setting tempo, key, and time signature so your arrangements stay consistent. Choose your audio interface and buffer size now, low latency for tracking, higher buffers for mixing, because it affects timing and monitoring. Next, load core instruments like drums, bass, and a harmonic instrument so you can sketch the groove and harmony. Once done, arm one track for recording and confirm input levels. This gets you to the first playable loop fast. Once you have a playable loop, expand it by recording variations or programming MIDI for 4 8-bar sections so ideas become structure. Layer complementary instruments and use pan and EQ to carve space. Cut mud, boost presence, because separation prevents masking. Add light compression on groups to glue elements, and then automate volume, filter cutoff, and reverb sends to create movement. Automation is how you shape dynamics and interest. Make sure to save incremental versions, so you can revert if a change weakens the mix. To finish, balance levels across tracks and add final bus processing like subtle glue compression and limiting so the mix reads coherently on different systems. Check the mix in mono and at lower volumes to ensure translatability, because issues often hide at extremes. Trim unnecessary silence, normalize peak handling, and export both stems and a mastered mix with the correct sample rate and bit depth. If you run into clipping, lower the master by a few dB and re-export. This quick fix preserves headroom.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.